In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix error 403 in Google Chrome. So go ahead and open Google Chrome, and this can be caused due to several reasons. It could be as a result of connection issues. To resolve your connection issues on Android, what you want to do is hold down from the top of the notification tab, and you should see all your connections in this section. You can turn off your Wi-Fi and wait a little while before you reconnect back to your Wi-Fi. You can also do the same by turning off and on your mobile data. This should resolve the problem. If you're still finding the 403 error on your Google Chrome, it could be as a result of a bug. To resolve this, open your phone settings, and under the settings you'll find app and notification. Tap on this and this will load all the applications you have loaded in your system. All you need to do is just find Chrome and then tap on Chrome. Now once on this page, you want to tap on force to stop and then tap on OK. It will temporarily deactivate Google Chrome until you open it again. And then you want to go to storage and then tap on storage. In this section, you want to tap on clear cache and the cache will be cleared. If after doing this, you still find the 403 error on your Chrome browser, go to your App Store and search for Chrome. And then if your app needs an update, you need to update the app. And that's how you can fix 403 error in Google Chrome. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you do find this video helpful, like and subscribe. I hope to see you guys in my next video.